Happy today.
Welcome to Havin One Nation. We got Woody here today.
Hi guys.
Whipping up some mojitos.
Peach mojito.
Peach
today.
mojito.
Yeah. I'm gonna try something a little different, maybe. Maybe not. It might be garbage. I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, we got a lot of aromas going on here in the studio today, so it sure does smell good.
Got a little mint going, a little lemon going. Some peaches.
What all do we put in this? So Bacardi?
Well, the recipe I got here is what is it? 2 ounces of rum, 16 ounces of club soda, 2 peaches, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 4 ounces of agave nectar. Never made this before, so bear with me here. We'll
I
see
smell
how she
some
ends
mint.
up. So what we did, we take 2 tablespoons of mint, muddle it in a, what do you call this thing? Since we don't have a regular strainer.
We used it on our last episode.
French press, I
French
believe,
press.
right? Yeah.
Yep. You got to pump it like a keg.
Yep. So I've pre-muddled my mint and added the rum to the mint in a chilling glass there in the strainer. And what we're gonna do then is take this peach here that's been pre-sliced and put it in a blender.
Peach in a blender.
Oh yeah? Is that a song?
I don't know.
Oh.
It sounds like one.
Okay. It's gonna get kind of loud here for a second.
So Woody's been getting really creative with this cooking with alcohol and cooking with beer. And it's getting pretty exciting, some of the things he's been making. And I know we've got some exciting things coming up in the future, too, we've been talking about. So Woody can chef her up.
It's definitely different ways to have one, guys. So we puree our peach, and we add 4 ounces of agave. How many ounces is this thing, Jimmy? It's an extra big one. Is it 2 or 4?
It's more like 4. Yeah.
It's closer to 4?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Just go a little more on that.
Just a scoosh more.
Just because.
Just a scoosh.
And then we got 2 ounces of lemon juice on top of...
Don't cut your fender.
Oh, jeez. Oh, about got it in my eye. And we're going to say that each lemon's going to be about an ounce.
Sure.
Give or take. Don't have to get too serious on measurements here.
You know, one thing I do have out here is towels. And it looks like you're going to need one.
Do you
when
have
you're done.
towels?
Yes, I do.
I might need one. Wash my hands, pre-clean my hands here, guys. Just make sure everything's nice and clean. That way.
We don't get herpes.
I don't know what you got on your hands, Jimmy, but that's not on mine.
Well, whatever you're doing, it looks really good.
Well, fresh peaches make a big difference. They also have, if you don't want to go through all the trouble of the fresh peaches and all the fresh stuff here, they have a Simply Peach drink that they make. Simply Lemonade Company makes it, I guess. You could go that route. It's just pure peach juice. And
also, if you use the real lemons, though, all them little scrapes and scratches and things that you have on your hands, it'll clear it right up, just like lacquer thinner.
You'll find it.
Or it'll wake you up.
Yeah, it's definitely, you can tell where they're at there. So, take that. Puree are nice and good.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah. Got another peach here.
So we're up to 1,470 members on our Facebook Havin One Nation page. That is awesome. We're trying to hit that 1,500 member mark because Zach said he had something really special in mind if we hit that 1,500 mark. Kind of like when we did the 1,000 mark, we had a special episode. So I'd like to ask all you Havin One Nation members to join us on YouTube. You can find us on Havin One on YouTube. We're going to start doing live events on YouTube. All of our videos, our podcast, everything that we do is all going to be on YouTube. We can get a higher quality picture on YouTube than we can Facebook, and we can edit things and make things, more like stuff that people can watch at home. So if you're on Havin One Nation, I know there's 1,470 of you out there. Please try to tune into our YouTube channel. Subscribe to it. You'll get notifications. Make sure you click on the bell, and it'll notify you every time that we decide to go live on YouTube. And like our videos and comment on them, and we'll comment back to you. So go ahead, Woody. I'm sorry.
Nope, you're all right. You got to get that in there. So I'm going to add a little bit more peach to her here. Get her in there and make sure you keep some for garnish so it looks all pretty and stuff when you're done. Do a little puree. Hey, dude. Come on in, buddy.
Hello there. So Doobie and Abby just walked in, right in the middle of us having one.
Yep. How's it going, fellas?
You're late, boys.
Oh, about knocked her over there. So we take that there and
I don't know what you guys think at home, but it just smells delicious in here. Can you guys smell?
we need smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision.
Yeah, we need smell-o-vision, Jimmy.
Well, you wouldn't have wanted to smell what it smelled like in here before you started cooking, but it definitely smells delicious now.
Smells better now, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
So let me see here if I'm doing this right or not.
What is this, a mojito?
Yeah.
We're making mojitos, dude.
Yep. Homemade mojito.
Moment and ice.
Fresh mint, fresh peaches, fresh lemon,
Yep. All
and
right.
fresh Bacardi.
So we got 2 tablespoons of mint, maybe an ounce and a half, 2 ounces of rum, over a little bit of ice. We're gonna add a couple ounces of peach here.
Don't go light on the rum.
Don't go light on the rum.
Light.
We're gonna put this thing all together. We're not gonna French press it per se, but
Where'd you get that thing? From Austin Powers?
Yeah, he's got a website.
see if we can
Shout out to Austin Powers, by the way. Whoa!
make a mess. See?
No, that's not what you do.
What do you do? What do you do?
You
Does
just-
that mix it? We got solids in there, Jimmy.
They'll separate.
Oh, look at that.
Yep.
There you go, guys. French press. Who needs a shaker? So you do that a couple times, do you?
Yeah, you just punch it down as much as you can. There must be ice in there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's ice in the
Now,
bottom.
do we need ice in our glass before we dump it in?
Way ahead.
You got one.
Right there. So you got this all
There's your spout.
mixed up nice and neat. What is going on? Oh, that's part of the press. There,
Never mind that.
We're gonna give this a good little.
What do you
stir.
need? Some Tums?
No, I'm good on the Tums there, buddy. Give her a good stir. We got to make sure we got all that. Then we'll go one more on this whole. Jeez, it's coming all over. We're seasoning your bar.
We
buddy.
don't claim to be professionals, except for when it comes to drinking.
Well, this is the first time I've made anything like this before. Usually I'm good with,
Well,
beer
you
and
don't
a
have
spear,
your utensils either. We should have been doing this in your kitchen.
I guess. A beer and a spear, I can do that. Pickles and beer makes it good all the time.
Right.
So, all right. We got her all mixed up here. Nice and neat. And we just put a little bit back in this here cup.
Whoa. That looks awesome.
About 2 ounces. You got a little more ice there, Jimmy?
Yeah. Yes, we do.
Can we get a little more ice here? And then, holy cow, it's on camera.
You just got it all up my
What's
back.
going on here?
Take it easy, guys.
Can you wipe me off?
I think somebody's messing with me here.
Oh, it's fine.
Well,
We'll just lick it off the table.
that's club soda for you guys.
Yeah. Don't drive around with club soda in your diesel.
on a rough road, I guess.
Yeah.
She's pressurized. Try that a little better here. There we go.
There it is. Bleed her off.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Just like anhydrous.
Just what? No. That's not anhydrous, Jimmy. All right.
You got to put
slowly pour
Oh yeah.
club
Look at
soda
that.
on
Oh,
top.
beautiful.
Now, Jimmy. Here we go. Check this out.
Oh yeah. Got
A
a
little
garnish.
bit of that. A little bit of that.
Oh yeah.
Feast your eyes on the
Peach
messiest.
mojito, woody style.
That's the messiest thing I've ever made in my life.
What, Doobie? You gonna try a drink?
Get back here and try it, man. Let's see if we can. Should we whip up one more?
Yeah, me and Christine.
What do you think?
Maybe two. She worth her snoot?
That's pretty good for all that work you just went through.
Hence why we favor a beer and a spear.
That's good, Woody.
Give her a try, Adam. It's a little different for you.
You ever
You're
had
not
anything
a big,
like that?
I don't think
You're not a
so.
great big.
Pick you up. Get
He's a big fruits and vegetables guy.
Look at
Ain't bad.
not bad, is it?
Not bad.
All right.
It tastes a lot better if you put the pinky up when you.
We got another glass here. Here we go. We'll whip this one up.
Much better.
Yep.
Much better, Jimmy says.
More better. Is it much better or more better?
I don't know.
You skipped English class too, huh?
I was never good at it very well.
It's much better.
Okay. There you go, folks. Peach mojitos.
Peach mojito from Havin one. Thanks everybody
Cheers.
for joining us. Cheers, Woody.